Hey everyone, and welcome back to Successvault. Earning money is great. Did you know you can earn a lot of money just by simply doing short tasks? We'll be looking at website testing in this video, and you can earn up to $100 doing it. You just need to visit a website, fill out a form, then get started. It isn't that hard at all, and you'll be earning in no time. Try it out. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 in free PayPal money. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss a great way to earn money simply and at home. Number 1. Make a PayPal account. First of all, you'll need a PayPal account. This is free and easy to use. PayPal is a way for you to earn and hold money digitally. It's used around the world, and anyone can get a PayPal account. You'll need to do this for today's technique. So go ahead and visit their website, then look on the top of the page for the sign up button. You'll be greeted with a page that asks you if you want to set up a personal account or a business account. Go ahead and select personal account. Then enter your email address and a password. You're all set. Number 2. Go to Validately. Validately is a website that will pay you to do short tasks. This is a great site to use if you want to earn money fast. Here are the payouts. For a 5-minute task, you will earn $25. For a 10-minute task, you will earn $75. And for a 30-minute task, you will earn $300. Isn't that great? Pay close attention to these instructions, because with it, you will be earning a lot of free money in a short amount of time. Some of you may have heard of the website Validately before, but here is a new method to earning money with it. You can use this site on either your phone or your computer. This is a really legit company because if you scroll down on the front page, you can see some of their customers, which includes Google, Amazon, Allstate, and others. When you first go to the website, you're going to want to hover your mouse over the tab on the top of the page that says Get Paid to Test. Click on it. It will take you to a page that very clearly states, Test websites, make money. It's that simple. Yes, it's truly that simple. This will be a lot easier than you may think. To start, click on the green button that says Start Making Money. Once you click on that button, it will take you to another page that allows you to register as a tester and start earning money. Click on the Create an Account button. It will then take you to a form that you'll need to fill out. Number 3. Fill out the form. This form has a total of 16 questions that you'll need to fill out in order to be accepted as a website tester. Let's take a look at what you can expect to be on the form. Question 1 starts off simple enough. They ask you what type of mobile devices you own. Answer all these questions honestly. If you own multiple devices, select all that apply. Question 2 asks you what type of computer do you own. Select all that apply. You may have a Mac or a Windows or maybe even a Linux. Select what is suited for you. Then click Next. Question 3 will ask you what version of your operating system you use. If you chose Windows previously, it will ask you which version of Windows you're using, such as Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Select one of these, then click on Next. Then it will ask you about your gender. Select either male or female. Question 5 asks you what year you were born. For this answer, you'll have to type it, so type in your answer and select Next. Question number 6 will be an important one. It asks you what your level of education is. It's best to select college graduate, because that means you can earn higher pay. Select it, then click Next. Next question asks you for your employment status. Select either self-employed, part-time, or full-time. Click that, then click Next. Question 8 asks you what your industry you're working in. Click on the blank space and there will be a long list of options. You could also select Display additional results to find more options. Here's a quick tip. If you select information technology or anything revolving around IT or technical jobs, you'll be earning a lot more money through this site. So consider choosing one of those options. Now click Next. Here's question number 9. It asks you select a job title. Type in marketing and select searching marketing strategist. Then click on Next. Now question 10 asks you for your annual household income. It's important to select an answer in between. Select one from $25,000 a year to $125,000 a year. Click Next. Now it'll ask you for your full name. Simply just input your full name into the answer bar. Click Next. Question 12 then asks you for your email. It's important to add a valid email for this. Then click Next. Now another important question. They will ask you for your PayPal email. If you have a PayPal, enter your email for that. This is important because this is how you'll send money after you complete these short tasks. Enter your PayPal email into the answer bar, then hit Next. Question 14 is super simple. It asks you to enter a password. Choose one that you'll remember, then hit Next. Question 15. Now you'll need to pay attention closely to this instruction. This question will ask you what time zone you live in. When you click Detect My Location, you'll want to select Provide Time Zone manually. Click on that and select which time zone you live in. Just select a country and click on it. Then select which country you're from. Then finally, select a state. After answering the 3 columns, click Next. Now, the final question, question 16. You'll be agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is the easiest one. Just click Yes, I agree. There isn't any other option. Then, when you click on that, hit Sign Up. That's it for the form. Number 4, take the test. After you have finished the form, you'll be led to a page. This page states that you must take a simple 1-minute screener test before you can get paid to take tests. For this, you must be using Google Chrome. You can download that browser for free. Once you have it, check your email inbox and find the email from Validately. This is your confirmation email. Click the link to confirm your account. Then the screener test will begin. Go to the bottom of the page and select the button that says Take the Screener Test Now. That will lead you to another page. On that page, you can see that the website is recruiting people to test websites. This screener test can be done either with your computer or with your phone. It also says you must be using Google Chrome. Now go to the bottom of this page and select I will test websites for money. They will then give you a test tutorial. You can pick on the green circle to show your task. You can also watch tutorial videos for this. Click Next. The green circle will appear in the corner of the page. You can move this around. That is where your task will appear. Now click on OK, I'm ready to begin this test. Now to begin, you'll need to install the Validately extension on Google Chrome. Click on the Install button on this page, and it will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. It will open up the Validately unmoderated testing extension. As you can see, tens of thousands of users have already used this extension. Now click Add to Chrome. This will add the extension to your browser. Now you can use the software to test websites from your phone or computer. Number 5, go to Amazon website to test the website. Once you have the Validately unmoderated testing extension added to your Google Chrome, you will now have a task. Here's an example task. This is for testing the Amazon website. They'll provide you with a document that has instructions in a step-by-step format of what to do. The instructions are simple. First, you'll need to visit the Amazon website. They'll provide you with a link for the website. Click on the link, and once you do, you'll be led to the website. They ask you to test. For this example, you'll be led to Amazon's homepage. That was the first step to this. Now, they'll ask you to take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. You will need to take a screenshot because this provides Validately with proof that you actually visited the website. If you're using your phone, just take a normal screenshot. If you're using your computer, then use print screen or snipping tool to screenshot the main page from the link they sent you. Save that image as proof that you visited the website. That is the end of step number 2. See, it's simple so far. Now on to step number 3. They want you to locate today's deals on the Amazon website and take a screenshot of that. To do that, go to the Amazon website and locate it. They want you to do this because they want to know it's easy to find the daily deals. Certain websites make it difficult for users to locate certain sections, so this is a way to audit the process of finding it. On Amazon, it's easily found on the top of the page. Now, click the Today's Deals and take a screenshot of that. Next step is to search for Scott Standard Bath Tissue and take a screenshot. You can copy and paste what you need to search so it'll be easier. Then search it. Once you find it, select it and take a screenshot. That's it. That's all the steps needed for this example task. It didn't take that much time, and you're going to get paid a decent amount of money for it. Most of the tasks will be similar to this, so you can easily do a lot of them and get hundreds of dollars a day. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.